Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan and today I'm here with a very delayed video. I'm actually going to be discussing the Air Jordan 1 Low SOLEFLY in the Carnivore colorway. I think that's the name for it. I'm pretty sure because it's based off the Air Max 1 Carnivore. I'll show you an example of it being based off kind of a Air Max collection. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like. Again, like on this video. Let's make it around like 210 likes, something simple like that. And we'll be getting into discussing the details of this one, kind of reviewing it, how it looks, kind of my opinion, and then also just kind of what I think about holding this one. I don't think it'll be going up for like 2-3 months, just kind of these first couple months. I think it's going to be pretty stagnant, maybe going down like $10-$20, or maybe rising like $10-$20. I think that's more likely, but we'll just get into everything. And yeah, anything you want to check out is all down below. So let's just get into it. So first things first, the main detail I want to mention about this shoe, when you kind of look at it again, I noticed they put some details on the inside. I was lucky enough, this was from SOLEFLY, this whole pair. So shout out to them. I copped it off their site, but one reason I'm not going to say shout out to them is because it took them like a month to ship my pair. I don't know if there was like some sort of shipping issue or something going on. That's why I'm not really going to go over it. Excuse me for that long, but yeah, it took really long, and I was just like, okay, where's my pair? Like I was about to email and be like, can I get a refund or something? But I was patient, stayed down, and I got my pair right here and in the 7.5. But also one thing it also came with was a sleeve. I don't know if this is just something that you got from the SOLEFLY site, but I'm pretty sure Nike users also got the SOLEFLY sleeve. I don't think this is anything unique or special. So yeah, this just came with the box as well, and the box is also kind of matches the colorway of the shoe. Another detail you can see again, as the shoe kind of has that kind of gum sole on it, and you can see the brown also on the inside. That kind of, they intentionally, you can see that maybe a little bit. Hopefully I'll try and get a better focus on that in a minute, but you can see that kind of matches the box a little bit. And then the red, of course, on the top of the toe right there, that matches with the box. The whole lid right here, which I don't think there's any special details on this other than you can see just the Nike logo is kind of more of a tan rather than just like being white or something like that. So yeah, aside from that, also the wrapping paper again kind of matches like that carnivore kind of theme. You can maybe see that. Hopefully that is visible. But yeah, you can see kind of has that, I guess, different kind of texture. I don't know. I thought of like when they were thinking of Air Max 1 carnivore, and then also that actually the wrapping paper matches with what is going on up around the toe right here. So yeah, aside from the details of the box, and also you have it on the box too a little bit. You can also see that. So there you go, matching right with the toe. Right by the toe box. But yeah, aside from those details, if you've had the shoe in hand, then you probably noticed those details right there. And also this one comes with 3 sets of laces, I think. Yeah, there we go. We got 3 sets of laces right here. We got this, this one would probably be one of the better ones to wear with it right here. You can see kind of this, I guess, carnivore kind of colorway. I don't know. I'm gonna call it that. So whatever it is in the comments you want to help your boy out, that'd be a blessing. And then you also got this one right here, and then the red. So 3 different laces. I think that's pretty dope. And another feature I want to mention about the shoe is on the back of it. On the back of one pair, it is the SOLEFLY logo, and then on the back of the other one, it is the Air Jordan logo, and both are embroidered on. And of course, you see kind of that carnivore texture. I'm just gonna call it that again, going all around the shoe. Y'all can notice that, same as up by the toe box. And I think that's really dope, having 2 different brand logos embroidered on the shoe, and kind of on the back of each one by the heel tab. I think that's a good place to put it, and I think they really just kept with the theme of the shoe again, as it being a collaboration. It's pretty wild. And I think I'll show you again what the shoe is based off, like the whole colorway. So you all notice the colorway right here. Let me show you this on my phone, just so y'all can, oh, I swiped out of it, hold up. So this isn't what it is based off, but you can see this colorway right here. That's pretty identical to what this is right here. It's the exact same thing. So they basically put that whole Air Max 1 concept, since there's an Air Max 1 carnivore, and they put that right on the shoe right here. But someone else, and I know there's a couple other things that this one's based off, and some other people informed me in my comment section in my last video on the SOLEFLY Air Jordan 1s. That was a how-to cop, but you can also see just the Nike Air Max symbol right there, and then also on this one as well, kind of just both up there. But this is yeah, aside from that, y'all can see black laces with these ones. I think it's pretty clean. I like these ones, but in my opinion, it's going to be kind of kind of like a 6 to 8 month hold. I'll get into more of those details pretty much in like 30 seconds, but I just want to show you all one last thing. There you go. You might be able to see on the inside, you got the embroidered Jordan logo right there. Hopefully that becomes more visible. So there you go. And then you got that texture right up there that matches with the laces that's right there. So that's on the inside. And overall, my favorite part of this shoe would probably have to be just, again, them having the 2 brand logos embroidered like that. I personally like that little detail. And then also, you know, kind of like the texture up here by the toe box. Not bad. Overall, it's a lot of different details, and hopefully this one will perform well over time. So aside from that, let's get into kind of what I think about the resale on the shoe and my whole opinion on that. I've mentioned some small details about that already, so let's just kind of finish it up. But yeah, aside from all that right there, kind of hopping into more details about the Jordan 1 Low SOLEFLY. Looking at the resale right now on this one, after all the, you know, sneakers releases and everything, this one is holding fairly decent. It's not really dropping that much, but I don't think, again, this one is going to be rising very much in the next 2 to 3 months. Now, the reason I say that, although this one was a release that was heavily backdoored according to a lot of different pages, and just, you know, some cook groups I'm in, they were saying this was a very heavily backdoored release. So kind of understanding that, it makes sense since it is with a, you know, SOLEFLY as a store, so it makes complete sense that this would be a backdoored release. So I think anybody saying that, you know, logical opinion, I agree with that. And yeah, just again, this one's holding fairly well right now. So these next 2-3 months, it's dropping a little bit. Like you can see, it's on a slight downward trend. So for these next couple months, I don't think anything's going to be, you know, doing too hot for this one. I don't think anything's going to happen with this one that's going to make it spike up in value. But I think after that, you know, that 3-4 month point, I think first in those bigger sizes like 11 plus, I only have a size 7.5, so you know, I'm going to be on the kind of, you know, the long road for this one. I got it for retail, so I'm not ever going to be down on this one, which is a good thing to know. But yeah, just kind of taking everything into account, these next 2-3 months for this one going to be very simple. And then I think after, you know, again, heading to that 3, 4, 5 month point, bigger sizes will be the first ones we see making some progress towards $300. And I'd probably sell this one around the $320, $325 point. Who knows how high this one could go, though. If you want to hold this one for a year and just see what happens, I think that's not a bad idea at all. This one is much different from most Jordan 1 lows. And Jordan 1 lows are great holds, sleeper holds. Most people kind of look over them, but they're definitely not ones to look over. Some of my favorite holds have been Jordan 1 lows. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to mention about this one, kind of what I think. Again, I said I wanted to get into those details kind of easy, or not kind of easy, but kind of fast, kind of simple, and just kind of mention them because there's really not too much to be confused on this shoe about. It's just, you know, it's a kind of a more interesting model, and it's going to take a little bit of time to, you know, make some progress since the sales aren't too crazy, but there's a decent amount of pairs. But just give it some time, and this one will definitely fly off the market. So that's all I got to say right there. And yeah, you know, kind of heading to the outro, all the basic details. You want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, feel free. I haven't ate anything today. It's like 11 o'clock. Well, I did get up at like 9, so I mean, that makes sense. But again, like on this video, it's like 210 likes or something. I think I said that. So you know, you can do that down below. Leave any comments, questions, concerns, anything you got. I'll be there to answer them. And yeah, you know, I've really just been focused on the crypto space, NFT space recently. I'll try making some more videos on that. And, you know, just kind of updating you all and making some more sneaker investment videos. I noticed that's what y'all really like, so I'm gonna stick with that. And yeah, that's everything that needs to be mentioned. So I'm ended this. Check all that down below. I'm Tristan, much love to you all, and I don't know if I'm gonna upload some tomorrow. I know I didn't upload yesterday, and I'm sorry for that, but I might not be able to tomorrow just because I'm heading back to Charleston, but we'll see. I'll try, and if I don't at least get something posted tomorrow, I'll get something filmed. So there we go. I'll see y'all on the next. Peace.
Is this love for real? Yeah. Is this love for real? For real. I've been feeling low while taking up a pills, and the girls all drink liquor from the sink. Oh, I've been